Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll guide you through the process of removing Microsoft Edge from your computer in 2025. We'll also briefly discuss whether you should even consider uninstalling it in the first place. Before we dive in, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. If you're in the European Union, you have the option to uninstall Microsoft Edge via the Add or Remove Programs feature in Windows. However, if you're outside the EU, such as in the US or UK, that option won't be available to you. Another thing to note is that some system features, like the Windows Store, rely on Microsoft Edge to function properly. So be aware of that before deciding to remove it. Lastly, it's crucial that you already have an alternative browser, like Google Chrome, installed before removing Edge. With that out of the way, let's get started. First, you'll need to go to the Settings menu. Press the Start key on your keyboard, then type Settings in the search bar. Once in the Settings tab, click on Apps and then go to Default Apps. In the search bar under the Choose Default Apps section, type in your browser's name. In my case, it's Google Chrome. Make sure to set Google Chrome as the default for all relevant file types. This step is necessary before making any further changes to your computer. After setting your default browser, you can move on to uninstalling Edge. Open your web browser, head to google.com, and search for Wise Uninstaller. Click on the first search result, which will take you to the download page for a free tool that will help you remove Edge. Download and install the application, then double-click to open it. Go through the prompts, agree to the terms and conditions, and uncheck the option to view the user guide. Finally, click Finish. At this point, it's a good idea to create a restore point for your system. This way, if you ever want to reinstall Microsoft Edge, you can easily return to your previous setup. To create a restore point, press the Start menu and search for Create a Restore Point, click on it, and in the new window, select Create to back up your system. Give your restore point a name, such as Microsoft Edge, then click Create. Now that you have your restore point, go back to the Uninstaller tool. Scroll through the list of programs until you find Microsoft Edge, then click on it. To remove Edge, click Force Uninstall and confirm by pressing Yes. A message will appear with a list of remaining files and folders. Click the Select All button and then hit Remove. Finally, click OK. There are still a few more steps left. First, go back to the Microsoft Edge section in the Uninstaller and select all the options. Then click Uninstall in the top right corner and confirm by pressing Yes. Next, head to the Internet Explorer tab and select the two options at the top related to Microsoft Edge. Click Uninstall again. Lastly, go to the Metro Apps section on the left and scroll to the bottom where you'll find Microsoft Edge. Click on it and hit Save Uninstall. At this point, you should have completely removed Microsoft Edge from your computer. Keep in mind, though, that after a Windows update, Edge might get reinstalled automatically, and there's not much you can do to stop that. Previously, some registry tweaks could prevent it, but those options were removed in a recent update. If it reappears, simply follow these steps again to uninstall it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. Until next time.